In the beginning, there was nothing. Not empty space, not darkness. Nothing. A nothing so complete it almost breaks the human mind. Because nothing means no time, no matter, no before. And yet, something happened. Something that every culture on Earth has tried to explain, and no two explanations fully agree. Scientists call this moment before the Big Bang. Christianity describes it as the silence before God spoke. Islam describes it as the unseen realm, before Allah said, "Be." Different words, different meanings. One question humanity has never stopped asking: how does something come from nothing? The beginning. Now, let's open our eyes there. According to science, at first, there was no first. Time didn't tick, space didn't stretch, energy didn't move. It was simply silent. Then, in less than a heartbeat, something happened. A spark, a burst, a cosmic detonation so powerful it created space, time, matter, energy, everything. The Big Bang. Not an explosion in space, no. It was an explosion of space. A sudden expansion from something unimaginably small to everything we now see. As the universe expanded, matter formed like dust swirling in a new wind. Hydrogen, helium, tiny particles dancing in newborn space. If you could watch it happen in real time, it would look like fireworks being set off in slow motion. Stars formed, giant nuclear engines lighting the dark. Galaxies twisted into spirals. Black holes anchored the centers like sleeping beasts. Then, billions of years later, around an ordinary star in an ordinary corner of the galaxy, Earth appeared. A warm, rocky cradle, a place where life could spark. But science doesn't stop there. It tells a story of evolution, slow, powerful, patient. Cells, organisms, creatures, humans. Humans who eventually looked up at the sky and said, "Where did all this come from?" That's when another kind of explanation began. The beginning. According to Christianity, before time, there was God. Just God. No universe, no atoms, no galaxies. Only a presence, eternal, limitless, complete. And according to the Bible, God didn't explode the universe into existence. He spoke it. Let there be light. Imagine that. A divine voice echoing into the void, and reality obeying instantly. Light bursts into being. Energy races outward. The universe wakes up. Day by day, creation unfolds like a master artist layering paint. Day 1, light. Day 2, sky. Day 3, land and sea. Day 4, sun, moon, stars. Day 5, birds and sea creatures. Day 6, animals. And finally, humans, made in the image of God. Humans who walk, think, feel, love, because their Creator does too. In this version, the beginning isn't chaos and randomness, it's intention, purpose, a universe handcrafted, and at the heart of it, a relationship between the Creator and creation. According to Islam. Now we shift into another sacred beginning. In Islam, before anything existed, there was Allah, timeless and eternal. Nothing else. No heavens, no earth, no stars. Only God. Then Allah said the divine command, Kun, be. And it was. The heavens and the earth split apart from a single entity, remarkably similar to the scientific idea that everything began from one point. Kinda wild, right? The Quran describes creation unfolding in stages: the heavens, the universe, the earth, the mountains, the seas, the plants, the creatures, and finally, humans. humans made from clay, shaped and breathed into by Allah Himself. Islamic cosmology sees the universe as a deliberate masterpiece, every star placed with wisdom, every process designed with balance. Even the expansion of the universe is mentioned in the Quran. We are expanding it. A line written centuries before humans discovered cosmic expansion. In Islam's story, creation is purposeful. Nothing is random. Nothing is without meaning. When the three stories meet? Here's the fascinating part. When you zoom out, these three different beginnings start forming a single, massive picture. Science says the universe had a beginning. Christianity and Islam say the same. Science says everything came from a single point. Islam describes the heavens and earth splitting from one point too. Science says light was the first major event. Christianity says, "Let there be light." Islam says Allah created the heavens, then adorned them with light. Science says the universe is expanding. Islamic scripture mentions expansion. Christianity references the stretching of the heavens. Science says humans arrived late in cosmic history. Religion says humans were the final creation. Science calls our universe finely tuned. Religion calls it designed. Different languages, but strangely similar echoes. The human connection. No matter which story you believe, or even if you're still exploring, all three narratives lead to one powerful realization. The universe had a beginning. And somehow, that beginning led to you, a human who feels, laughs, wonders, cries, searches. Maybe the universe is a cosmic accident. Maybe it is the intentional creation of a divine being. Maybe it is something more mysterious than we can imagine. But here you are, alive long enough to ask the oldest question ever: where did all this come from? And maybe the truth is this: the universe isn't just something we live inside, it's a story that we're still learning to read. And as you listen to this, right now, you're part of that story too. Final moment. Whether the universe began with a fiery expansion, a divine word, or a sacred command, its beginning is the most dramatic moment in all of existence. And somehow, impossibly, that moment led to galaxies, to stars, to Earth, to life, to humanity, to you hearing these words. It's wild when you think about it. So maybe the beginning of time isn't just about how the universe started. Maybe it's a reminder that everything, every life, every world, every story starts with something small, a spark, a word, a moment, and grows into something unimaginable, just like the universe did, and just like you will.